So hi guys, welcome to Game Boss. So we are back again in YouTube, right Abhi?
Yeah, so my big brother is coming in Bangalore in your mat.
So hi, it's from Bangalore and the personal condition is very serious, right Abhi?
Yeah.
Coronavirus is there. Be safe everyone.
Yeah, put hand wash also safety.
Yeah, the safety video we have posted it here.
Yeah.
Check it out here.
Yeah.
So Abhi, what we are going? Today we are not doing a food video, right Abhi?
No, we are buying the new iPhone.
Oh, you said it early. So today we are going to do an unboxing. So we started doing unboxing videos also.
Yeah.
So today we are going to unbox iPhone 11.
iPhone 11! The new branded iPhone 11. Yo!
So our dad has got this new one which is iPhone.
iPhone 11.
So I basically use iPhone 7 Plus and Abhi uses iPhone 6s. Right Abhi, and we have like a macbook.
Macbook also.
So okay, come on, let's take the iPhone 11.
Yeah.
So come on, let's take out the iPhone 11.
iPhone 11. See. Oh! So the new branded new black color. The iPhone 11 Pro. Sorry, 11. Sorry. 11.
So guys, this is the new brand new iPhone 11 black color.
Yeah.
This is the 128 GB version, right Abhi?
Yes, 128 GB.
So we are so much excited and this is our first unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to like,
subscribe and comment down below.
and subscribe also, and bell icon also here.
So we are now on the road to reach 2K subscribers, so we need your love and support, right?
Yeah, love and support.
So let's begin to the iPhone unboxing.
Yeah, come on, let's see.
Oh, so what's the fun without?
Yeah, the Smart HDR.
So 3, 2, 1.
No, we can see the specialty of.
Yeah. So come on, let's do the unboxing.
Yeah.
To the unboxing camera.
Sure.
So guys, come on, let's unbox this iPhone. So the box looks similar to all the iPhones. Look, the same iPhone branding is there. We have the details about the phone, Apple logo. So come on, let's unbox it. The as usual iPhone thing. Voila. So in this box we are getting this iPhone 11. See, it's a like glass finish like iPhone 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, etc. So let me keep it this aside. Here you will get an instruction manual as usual, designed by Apple, California. Lightning cable, USB, lightning bolt, earphones, and Apple charger. That's it. So this is the simple unboxing is there. Come on, let's keep these things aside. We'll take the iPhone. Wow, this looks so much beautiful. This looks smaller to iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, I think so. So you can see it, right? Dual cameras. So come, let's get into the features. So come on, let's switch on this phone. Okay, let me keep the box aside. So as usual, the same power brick is here. Let's on it. So it's turned on. Let's wait for some time. So guys, the phone has now turned on. So the button is not there. So much sad. Me and Abhilash used to love the buttons. See, no button is there. Swipe up to open. So this one is having like the normal LCD screen. It does not have the retina display. See, I am checking for the notification from down. It's from here. Wait, what apps are all open? Let me close it first. Let me turn on the brightness. Now it's in full brightness. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So guys, when the damn bright this phone. Now let's get into the features of this phone. Okay, come on, let's check out the iPhone 11 features. So let me turn it on. So the first feature is the iPhone has a solid improvement over the iPhone X, and it's cheaper than the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. The design is very similar to 10s, 10R and 10. So it has the same notch as you can see in the top. It's like the same notch only for every iPhones. And the same button placement also. So the next feature is it is having the same button placement. I'll show it to you guys. So it is having the power button as same as the iPhone X, XR and X Max. And this one is having a aluminum body compared to the same iPhones. And it's having the glass body and the same lightning port. So this iPhone 11 is having a LCD screen. It's not having the retina display compared to the iPhone 11 Pro and 10s Max. So come on, let's check out the video. Let me put it in full screen. Even though it's LCD screen, it's having a good picture quality.
So guys, this is a camera testing the iPhone 11.
So this iPhone 11 has 4K front camera. See
the 360. Ooh.
See. Damn.
Oh. What is a roller coaster? Oi. Oh.
One second, we will show. See iPhone 7 Plus, 6 and iPhone 5. And MacBook also is here.
Yeah. So guys,
so, the camera quality is awesome. Wait a bit.
Yeah, see the all of the oh.
So this one is 60 FPS and 4K video.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Let's see the unboxing camera. Bye.
So the iPhone 11 is waterproof. It's having IP68, same like iPhonex, XR. Don't catch feelings. That's a review. Watch the unboxing, close-up unboxing. Wait, Abhi, so Abhi, say how was this phone?
It's good for the so much weight. This iPhone 11, so iPhone 7 Plus is no weight. So the color also, the sound also awesome color.
Yeah.
The sound awesome sound also the Dolby.
So this is the iPhone 7 Plus which I own.
This is 6s.
6s. You see, this is compared lighter compared
this is so much heavy weight. See, so much. This is low. This is high. So the buying this phone, we get free iMovie and iTunes. You so much is there.
Yeah.
So, yes, you can see. Oh, iPhone 11. So exciting.
So I will give a final verdict. So you can see this iPhone. So iPhone 11 is slightly a better phone than iPhone XR with the same size, same weight, thickness. Only the difference is it's having two lenses.
Yeah.
And it's having the same and a bit better battery life. That's it.
Yeah.
So nothing more change in
the
this.
Button is not there. The change.
The notch. I'm not a fan of notch, right? You like the notch? I like the button.
So I like the iPhone 11 camera specialty.
The camera is like one of the best cameras.
Yeah.
So if you love upgrading your iPhone to the newer ones and you don't have that much money to spend on iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, it's too costly, you can buy this phone. It's absolutely worth it.
Yeah. It's so much low price.
Yeah. Now the price of this has fallen because the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max and Pro is now available.
Yeah.
So this phone is worth the money and the camera is the best.
Yeah.
So that's all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like,
subscribe
and comment down below.
And
so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.